had a 100-mile-an-hour wind.
Yes, we did.
You bet we did. Woo! Man, that was some serious prep.
Yeah.
It was.
I never had this front barn fixed, the roof would come off.
Well, you're going to have it fixed now.
Well. He's probably right. I don't know what else went away. Sometimes I don't like Mother Nature.
Oh, you got any tarps we can throw on things? You got any tarps we can throw on things?
There's just one blue one over there. Well, to get it gonna do now. Oh, enough already.
Got to have one last say here. You got something you really want to save and you got a tarp, let's go cover it up.
Well, we're going to stuff over in here so the rest of the roof doesn't blow off.
Yeah. I'm surprised the whole damn thing didn't go, quite frankly.
I am too. Well, that roof was damaged by the last storm and never had been properly repaired. Sorry.
We may have better witnesses than you think.
Yeah.
I almost got the damn thing coming off.
Yeah.
But I was ducking more than I was worrying about the camera.
Yeah, I was holding my breath.
Nothing like professionalism.
Yeah. There's no place to start.
Well, you got any good old TVs you want to cover up with?
Well, they're all gonna ruin. I think we'll cancel the K-Park trip.
Oh, goodness. Well, can I do something?
Well, I'm trying to move stuff, a little bit of it back from the grip. I got a hole right there.
Yeah.
I mean, the damage is done.
Can't do anything about it now.
A lot of this stuff was damaged years ago by other leaks. Ow!
Let me put the camera away and see if I can help you.
What have you seen?
I've seen it.
I'm sitting there going, oh shit, this is the kind of wind that rips roof off a
Paul,
barn.
we're on the air.
I'm sorry, quote me. That's exactly what I was thinking. Shit, this way. I'm thinking, okay, the wall's just been done.
Well, see, I moved up there because the back wall started vibrating.
Well, yeah, the back wall's been rebuilt and this left wall's been rebuilt, but the roof's original. Well, semi. And but just looking out the door and watching the trees be whooped to shit.